Have you ever thought which is the one app that you most oftenly use in your phone? WhatsApp, Instagram? Actually, if you think about it, it is the keyboard application. And the most popular keyboard application is GBoard by Google with over 1 billion downloads in Google Play Store alone. For those who don't know, GBoard stands for Google Keyboard and it is the one which comes pre-installed in almost all of the Android devices out there. So an app which you use so often, you should use it well, right? So here are 10 GBoard tips and tricks which you could use to make it better. I am Devatan and you're watching Tech Aisle. Let's begin. With phones getting larger and larger, one-hand typing can become very difficult. But with GBoard, not so much. GBoard actually has an option to make it better for one-handed usage. For that, click on the keyboard icon that you see right on top. With that, you get a floating keyboard which you can resize and relocate as you wish. Also, enabling glide typing will make the experience better. Did you know that GBoard has a translate option built in? This could come in handy when you want to translate some words and you don't want to go to Google Translate. This could reduce that extra step of going into Google Translate and then pasting those words and coming back. Alright, enough talking, I'll show you how. For this, go into the option which looks like a Google Translate icon. Then select your languages and you're good to go. Having vibration when typing can make the experience better than it already is. But having too high could be disturbing. That is why, for the same reason, GBoard has an option to increase or decrease the amount of vibration when you touch the keyboard. For this, go to the GBoard settings by clicking the gear button on top of the keyboard. This will take you to the settings page of GBoard. From there, go to preferences, which is the first option there. Now go to the key press section and click on vibration strength on key press and adjust it as per your preference. It might take some time for you to hit the sweet spot, but once you hit it, it will make you type more. We have all been there. We are writing something and we horribly misspell the word, and you want to go back and change the spelling but without deleting the whole word. Well, GBoard can help you there too. So there are two ways how you can do this. First, you can use the space bar as a cursor. For this, hold the space bar and take it to the left or right as per your wish to take the cursor that way. And the second way, it is a bit more advanced. For that, go to the three dots on the top of the keyboard and select text editing. With this option, you can select words, copy, cut and paste them while also using the cursor with more precision and accuracy. I don't know if this can be counted as a tip or trick, but this is as important as almost all of the tips and tricks mentioned here, if not more important. This is a privacy feature which will disable Google from fetching your data, maybe without even your knowledge. For this, go to GBoard settings and then go to advanced. Then turn off the first option you see, share to usage statistics. Now that you have turned it off, GBoard will not send the data to Google, which if not turned off could lead to very serious problems if that data somehow leaked. Like, those people could potentially see every single thing that you are typing, including your passwords. That is pretty scary. Sorry to interrupt, but if you are liking this content, then it would be hugely appreciated if you could hit that like button, and while you let it, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon if you are new here. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the video. When we want to delete whole sentences and even few words, it can take some time to hit the backspace and go on, right? And yes, GBoard has a solution for that. Just hold down the backspace and take it to the left as much as you need it to be. And also, if you want that deleted sentences or words back right then, those words will appear right above for your immediate use. Now, this could come in handy to people who type the same text over and over. Say you type your email many times a day. It can take some time for you to type in that email, and when you consider many times a day, you are wasting a few minutes every day, right? Not so much if you're using GBoard. You can add word shortcuts, as in you can type a certain word and it will appear as something else. I'll show you how. For example, here I have typed email as my short word and I have given my own email address as my replacement text. Now, whenever I type email, my email address will appear right at the top. Now, that can be used for anything, making it very handy. If you are a person who punctuates their sentences regularly, this one is for you. There's a really easy way to punctuate sentences in GBoard. For this, go to the GBoard settings and select text correction. There, go to correction section and choose to turn on double space period. Now, you can double tap the space bar to add a full stop, which could enable you to continue typing without any interruption. Also, this instantly adds a space after the full stop so that you don't have to. While typing, if you want to capitalize some selected words without going back, GBoard can help you. First, select the words or even sentences that you want to capitalize and then hit the shift button once for capitalizing the first letters of each word and press the shift button twice for capitalizing the whole words or sentences. Similar to vibration control that I speak previously, having the correct height of the keyboard can make the experience better. For this, go to the GBoard settings and go to preferences. Then go to the layout section and then select keyboard height and adjust accordingly. Alright, that's it for today. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you next week.